For thousands of years, humanity looked at the sky with a mixture of envy and frustration. We tried to mimic birds with flapping canvas wings and wooden frames. But we lacked the one thing biology couldn't give us: pure mechanical power. The breakthrough didn't happen in a massive laboratory, it happened in a bicycle shop. In 1903, the Wright brothers realized flight was about balance and propulsion. Their first flight lasted only 12 seconds, covering a distance shorter than the wingspan of an airliner. But those 12 seconds changed the world's geography forever. Within 40 years, we moved from wood and fabric to the terrifying power of the jet engine, shrinking the planet from months of travel to mere hours. Today, we dominate the atmosphere with titanium and software. The history of flight is human will overcoming gravity. Subscribe to Random Raxt for more engineering marvels.